how to import template in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to import template in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and head over into the template page. And then once you're in there, go ahead and click on this get template button, which you'll find at the right side of your screen. So I've got this template from Notion itself. So I'll simply click on that get template button and that will redirect me into my Notion workspace. So if you haven't signed into your Notion account yet, make sure to sign in to be able to incorporate that into your workspace. So once you're on your workspace, you need to go ahead and click on the add to private button to add this to your workspace. And then once you have added this to your workspace, you'll find it below that private section. So once you have added this, you can go ahead and customize this and add more items that you want to add into this specific template. So that is how you can easily import template in Notion if you're using Notion as well for finding templates. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.